I know it's still summer, and many of you had said you're not ready for the fall vibes, which I totally get. I love summer too. But I'm going to show you today how to use the new Warm Hues eyeshadow palette that's launching with these new sunset-inspired colors and use it with a summer look. Stay tuned to see how I created this look. Okay, so step number one is make sure you have something cute and summery on. Cute jewelry, something that makes you feel like summer, right? Number two, I'm going to apply Soft Heather's eyeshadow in the crease of my eye. This is a matte purplish grayish color. I'm using the all over shadow brush. I'm going to kind of just wiggle it back and forth and just apply it in a wide application from my outer crease all the way over to my nose. You should also make note, I did apply the Light Beam liquid eyeshadow from my lid to my brow before I applied the Soft Heathers. I always start my makeup with this. It acts as a great magnet, and it also adds a really pretty light shimmer underneath anything you put on it. I just love the effect. You should also make note, I did apply the Light Beam liquid eyeshadow from my lid to my brow before I applied the Soft Heathers. I always start my makeup with this. It acts as a great magnet, and it also adds a really pretty light shimmer underneath anything you put on it. I just love the effect. Okay, so next, I love this color. I'm going to be using the Peach Daydream in the new Hues, Warm Hues palette. I'm going to spray my brush. I have my all over shadow brush. I'm just going to spritz it on my lid. I like this technique because it applies it a little bit deeper in color and only where I want it without getting all over the place with the finishing spray. By doing this, it acts as a nice little magnet or grabber of the color, so to speak, and it also creates less fallout. So I'm just taking that one shade and I'm tapping it all over my. So then I applied a coat of the waterproof liquid eyeliner pen on my top lash line, and I did a couple coats of Lash Intensity mascara. I love this mascara. It gives thicker, fuller looking lashes, like Va Va Voom lashes, the more coats you put on. And since the colors I'm wearing are a little lighter today, I wanted my lashes to pop. And finally, to finish off my eye look, I'm taking that little color on the end called Purple Vibes, and I'm just gonna drag it underneath my lash line, right through here, to give me a little bit of soft pop of soft purple under my eye area, and I'll show you how I finish the rest of my look. The last two steps are super simple. I just took my blush brick, all 4 shades, dragged my brush across it, and applied my blush in my cheek color right through my cheekbones. And then my lips, I paired this look with one of my favorite lipsticks. This is called Luminous Lilac. It's a really pretty soft purplish hue color, and that's how I finished this look. So when you are trying to put together combining colors from warm to cool tones, you can do that. So let me know in the comments, in direct message, what do you think? Do you like the way this look came out? It's super easy, only 2 colors on your eyes. So if you have any questions, message me. I would love to know your thoughts. I think it's perfect for August.